Okay, guys and girls, you must remember this kind of heaters that they were out and everybody was buying them when the oil was $5 a gallon and they were splitting the difference between electric and oil. So I bought one of them also. I used it for I think 2 or 3 years, and then it broke down, it wouldn't work no more. So today I was not doing anything and I seen it up in the attic and I said, let me take it down. The oil is going up again, the gas is going up again, and who knows what's going to happen. So I'm going to attempt to take it apart and see if I can fix it, because I have a little knowledge about all these things and I'm going to give it my best. If my best is not good enough, then I'm going to put it out in the garbage and I'll go get another one. So I'm going to spin it around so you know, and maybe I'll shine the light here so you can see. This one has a fireplace effect also on it. So that's my heater, which I'm gonna attempt today to fix it. And this is the back side of it. So I'm gonna see if I can put you somewhere where you can see how I'm gonna do this. Hopefully I fix it and you guys can see it and learn with me how to do this. So here are all the tools that I choose to use, because I didn't want to get up every few minutes and get another tool. So I think I got everything that I need to use. This looks like a dentist thing. When you go to a dentist, they got all kinds of tools. They don't know which one they're going to use on you. So I did the same thing, and I hope you like the video, and just stick around and see what happens. I'm going to extend the legs on the tripod so I can set it up somewhere where you'll be able to see. Okay, I'll bring it over here. Over here. We're going to start from back here. I was looking at it before and I said, this must be the way to get in there, but I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's where I'm going to start, right there. And there you go. I think you can see. So it was a good heater, you know. He hit the space where I was needed it, and I felt bad, you know. I paid $200 for this thing, and I said, wow, they only make it for a few years and that's it. So what I'm gonna do here, they have, I'm gonna start with that. They have something here. It's supposed to hold this thing in place, so Okay, I put that over there. Let's see what's our next move here. What we're gonna do next. Put the tool back over there, and I don't see anything else. So maybe if I pull it, it might come out. Maybe that's all they had there. No, it's not moving. It's not moving. Something is holding it. Okay. All right. All right, I see. Oh. I see some screws down here. There's one over there, one over there. One over there. There's three here, and two on the bottom. Two on the bottom over there. I don't know if you see, yeah, right there. Two on the bottom. I'm gonna attempt to take them out and see what happens after I take them out. I'll start from the bottom over here first. I should have brought my screw gun here and take them out much faster, but that's okay. There's one. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to flip it over and cause more damage, but you know, that's what it is right here. These are long screws too, and they're fine thread. I should have got my screw gun. Now it's too late. I'm not going to the garage now for that. And they got rubber, I see rubber washers, I guess. They did that for vibration or something. Like I said before, I'm not a electrician that I know how to fix this stuff, but I'm an auto technician, and some of the stuff works similar. I even have an idea that might be wrong with it, but I gotta get there. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but step at a time, we'll get there together. I don't think these long screws were necessary to put them here, but that's what they put in. Hopefully I can fix it. It will save me a couple of $100, because this is one of the good ones. So, okay, those screws are out. Let's see if we can get it out. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh no. Shit. It's coming out. Yeah. Come on, man. It's not coming out. Well, this whole box came out. Wow. Okay. Let's see what happens. Well, let me investigate a little bit and then I'll get you. Oh, they got a wire diagram. So, let me show you. They got a wire diagram right here. And they got another one over here. There you go, right there. So, and there's another one on this side. I don't know what this is. There's another one. There's another diagram right here. All right, so give me a second here. To figure this out. It must be made in the U.S. because I don't see Chinese, thank God, so I can read this stuff. Okay. The relays are up in the front. Okay. All the wires are up in the front, where all the operating unities. So everything is up in the front. Okay. Let's read. One on the side here. Okay. Okay. I need the flashlight so I can see. Then I gotta put my glasses on. Oh my God. That's a little smaller. Okay. There we go. Okay. The bulb is good. I know it works. Okay, let's take the panel out. Huh? What the hell is that? Let's see. It may be on the other side. I'm fitting it in on this side. Nothing on this side, nothing on the other side. I don't want to keep taking panels out because they might have stuff screwed on it. Let's check underneath. see what's underneath. Oh, okay. Alright. There's something here. Alright, that's what they're talking about. Okay. Okay, as you see here, there's a thing here that we can, a cover that we can take off. All right. See how we're going to do that. Very small screwdriver. Wow, that's small. No. Screwdriver is too small. Take it easy, Athena. Take it easy, baby. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. That's not good. Well, maybe this here. Maybe it's an Allen wrench. Let's check it. No. That one don't fit. Let's see what happens with this one here. Okay. Okay. This one can't. Oh. Oh. It is an Allen wrench. Put that over there. Nope. No. Yeah, I thought it was if I had one of these things in between the one that I used before and this one, it would have probably fit, but I don't have that one. Okay, what do we do now? All right, let's try the plier. The plier always works. Yep, maybe, maybe not. Oh, yeah. Okay. Come on. Oh, this is where the bulb is. Okay. All right. Where the bulb is, okay. Let's see. What are we gonna do here? I have to get you to see this. The light bulb is right here, right in front of us. And then there's a hole in there that, let's see, we're looking here together. Can't see that good. Let's see with a flashlight. Okay. Some, I guess those are the relays there. And the wires. Right there. Yeah. All right, you're not going to be able to see in there. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but it's kind of crazy. I wish I had somebody here to hold this but you're still not going to be able to see anything because the freaking hole is too small. All right, I'll put you back over here. All right. Let's make sure you can see. Right there. All right. Let's see how I'm going to do that. Better hold this out of the way somehow. Maybe I can use this. And do it that way. It's tough to see in there, so I put my glasses on. Now I see the wires. There's 3 wires here. And supposedly from the button on the front, the first one is the one that's maybe giving the problem. Maybe. I'm going to stick my hand in there and shake them and see if anyone is loose. Three of them. Come on. Okay. Okay. Here's the problem. That one was loose. Hope is the problem. Assume. I don't know. Let me check. Make sure you can see. Yeah, that thing over here. That thing over here. It's too wide open. So with a plier. I don't know if you can see that. With a plier, yeah, right there you can see better. I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit so it gets tight. I think this is what is doing it because this thing was wide open. Okay. Huh. Let's hope we can put it back in. Yeah, you can tell there it wasn't making a good contact. Push it in there now. It didn't go in. Maybe it made it too tight. No. Yeah, it's in there. Okay. Well, I don't see anything else. Also, they have in there, let me see if I can show you. Oh, right there, yeah. That's what spins around, I guess, and is making the flame. The light hits that there, that reflector there, and that's what, I'll show you. This thing here, spinning around. And a reflection from that light bulb, it's creating the effect of a fireplace. All right, that was easy. Hopefully, it works. And if it doesn't work, it's going in the garbage. Very simple. All right. Now, let me take this out of here. know the bulb used to work. But you know what? Let's make sure, because if the bulb don't work, we're gonna do this for nothing. We're gonna open it up again. So let's see. The bulb works. I know the heater didn't blow no hot air, but I know the light thing works. So how do I do that now? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, you can dim it, and you can, wow. All right, there you go. And you can see in the background, the thing is spinning around. Wow, that's how it works. I learned something. Okay. All right. Okay. Good for me. All right. Now we're gonna put, maybe I should move you over here so you can see better. Right there. You'll be able to see a little better. Now, which are the screws that were going over there? How many were they? 2. Okay. I hope this is the ones. I put this in place here, and I'm not gonna tighten it up. I'm just gonna leave it for now. Or maybe I should tighten it up. The other screw barely came out with that Allen wrench I used. Okay, take it easy now. Let me tighten you up. That was not bad. Okay, we'll close that up. Let me unplug that thing there. I don't want to get electrocuted. So I take the plug out. I put it maybe over here. See what happens. We'll drop this thing back in there. Then I'll plug it back in because I don't want to take a chance getting electrocuted by this thing. you. Like that. Hopefully you can see. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna trap it in there. Oh shit! I'm not gonna put nothing else on. I'm just gonna put it on in his wheelchair and hopefully it's gonna work. Well, up here in the Catskills, it's 3-4 days it was like below zero. And sometimes you need a space heater like that to heat the area you sit in, because the boiler sometimes cannot keep up with this kind of weather. So let me set you up right there. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. I still gotta put screws on it. This is only temporary test. If God's willing, it's gonna work. Let's go. I'm afraid to put it on. Okay. That light is supposed to flash, then it's supposed to stop. And when it heats up, then the fan kicks on. Let's see if that happens. Athena, you found your little baby, Athena. You're sitting over there, huh? You're watching Daddy fix the heater. Okay. You're such a good girlie. I'm gonna show to my viewers who you are. There you go. She's in her little belly, and she jumped in there, and she's relaxing. You chilling out, right, Athena? All right. Let's go back here to the heater because that's what we're interested at. Okay. Well, I feel it's getting hot, but the fan didn't kick on. If the fan don't kick on, that thing is going to go on fire. Yeah, so yesterday a friend asked me to take a ride almost to Canada. It's like 5 hours ride. And we got home like 8 o'clock, 8:30. And it was, they had a lot of snow up there, and it was even much, much colder. And it was something to see. I really went up there because I was never up that high, and it was good for me to go there and see it. Oops. Yeah, the fan just kicked on. Oh boy, thank you, God. Yeah, it's working. So what you used to do before, it was like, as soon as you turn it on, there was a -3 keep on flashing and flashing and flashing, and nothing would go on. So the way it worked before is the way it was now. The temperature came on, it flashed 2-3 times, and then I guess the heating elements go on, and once they get hot in certain temperature, then the fan kicks on, and there you have it. There you have it, guys. Oh, we didn't try the fireplace effect. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah. Oh yes. There you go. Okay, that's it. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay. All right, guys. You saw how it was so simple. You know, it was just one loose wire there, and I crimped it, and I stuck it back in there, and look at this. We're back in business. All right, guys. Like I always say, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and send me a comment. Maybe when I'm doing something wrong, I want to know I'm doing something wrong, because to me it's right. So if you don't send me no comments, that means whatever I do, it's good. So thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next video.